some things were honestly meant for me. My car is a mess. I don't have time to honestly clean it. I'm not in it much, so I don't know how it gets so messy, but I do not like going to car washes or having people in my car because I don't live in a safe area, and I just feel that's a point of vulnerability. So I got a vacuum, and it actually plugs into the cigarette lighter charger, which is kind of crazy. And it has a light, so I can actually clean this in the dark, which I prefer sometimes, so I can't really see how messy it is, but and it has attachments, which I got this one because I'm thinking I might be able to get some good stuff up, and it just has a switch. My car's messy, but isn't that the point of doing a vacuum review? So see, it's picking up all of this gross stuff. And I mean, it's like a wrapper of some sort, but it's actually just, I didn't charge it. I just plugged it into the cigarette lighter and it turned on, and it has a light for night use, but it's already making a difference. I can do this at red lights if I want.